what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying out a new brand and we are trying out Carter Beauty. We're doing an almost full face of Carter Beauty. They are vegan, they are cruelty-free. I am so pumped. I created this beautiful look. So if you are excited and want to see how I did this springy daytime look, make sure that you keep watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, to hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I create beauty videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday for you. And also go follow me on Instagram. Go say hi to me on Instagram. I am constantly there and I don't just talk about beauty there. I like share my life with you guys. It's insane. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I have a ton of stuff from Carter Beauty. I'm super excited to test it out. So I have an eyeshadow palette from Carter Beauty. This is the Warm Velvet palette and it looks like this. So warm colors, really pretty. We got mattes, we got shimmers. So let's test this baby out. I don't have an eyeshadow primer from them. I don't even know if they do make an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna use my regular eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna go into this color Decadence right here. This is such a beautiful, almost peachy, like light color that can be used in the transition. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in the transition. Basically, this is me testing out, but basically I'm putting it here. This is a pretty color and it's going on super smooth. So that's exciting. That's exciting. Have you guys tried Carter Beauty? Have you heard of them? Let me know down below. It's Carter Beauty by Marissa Carter. Is who made this brand here. Wow, I really like that color. I'm gonna go in with Luxe right here because it has more of a peachy vibe to it and it's a little bit darker, and I'm actually gonna put that all over the lid. Or maybe, yeah, I'm gonna put that all over the lid and into the crease. I don't want to go too dark. I want to be light and like airy, but you can definitely do like a dark smoky eye, like a beautiful smoky eye, like date night look with this. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. This is pretty. Yeah, I love peachy colors like this. They just go well with my olive skin. That's why I love peach. It just goes so well with my olive skin. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go into golden here. Looks like this. I'm gonna try to put that on the lid. So we're gonna see what this shimmer can do. I'm not gonna spray it so we can see what actually happens. Maybe I'll start, because this is a light shade, I'll start just putting that in the inner part of the lid and we'll see what happens. Oh, that's beautiful actually. And like for the daytime, I don't know if you can see this, I'll try to zoom in, but it's beautiful because it's like light and airy, but you can probably get like a pow with, if you use if you spray it. So I'm gonna spray it so we can see, we can test it out and see. Boom. Sprayed my brush. Yeah, see how bright it can get in the inner? If I spray the brush, I'm trying to go really light because I don't want to go crazy. Okay, I'm purposely trying to go super light with this because I want it to be just like a light spring. I'm taking my kids to the park. I can't be looking like I'm going to the red carpet, you know what I mean? I mean, there's days when I want to look like a Hollywood star and I'm going over to Walmart, and that's totally cool. But today's not one of those days. Okay, I'm gonna get into Midas right here, which is a little bit of a darker gold, not super dark, but it's darker than the one that we used. And I'm just gonna put that in the middle here and blend that in with a dry brush. So it can just be like a light wash of color. But I'm going to get into this one, which is 13, and I'm gonna get really close to the lashes. That's what I'm going to do. Is there, oh, wait a minute. There is a Supreme Gel Liner. So I'm gonna get close to the lashes and I'm gonna try to smoke it out, and then we're gonna go in with the liner. Now we're gonna test out this gel liner. This is cool. Okay, And this one comes with a little tiny brush. We will use it. I don't know that that's my favorite way to use it, but we'll use it today. This little tiny brush. Ooh, oh, it's creamy. Okay, it's super creamy. So I'm gonna get really close to the lashes. Oh yeah, it's black, and it's creamy. Wow, I got a super tiny wing with this brush, and it's not angled. It's like tapered in like this. It's interesting. I kind of like this, actually. I am not a big fan of gel liner. I feel like pen liner is just so much easier, but this one, I see you. I see you, Carter Beauty. I'm really excited because it also came with a Bounce and Blend beauty sponge, and I'm really excited to try that out because my sponge needs to get, I need a new sponge because, man, I'm that girl that uses the sponges until they're like breaking apart, and I'll probably still use them when they're breaking apart. By the way, this brand is cruelty-free and vegan. So this is what the sponge looks like. I'm gonna go wet it and then we're gonna see how that works. This is super cute packaging, by the way, super cute. This purple, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes one more time. This is what the sponge looks like, and it's like, look at how it takes forever to get up. It's like, it feels like a micro fiber bed. You know what I'm talking about? Like where it just like, it's like spongy. I don't even know how to explain it. Okay, so today I'm gonna use this Gucci foundation because it's gonna make my skin look really smooth, and my skin is so crazy right now. So sorry, but I'm gonna use that. And I'm also gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip, which I'm loving. Why do people not like this? Like I did a video on Instagram Reels of how to use this so it doesn't ball up on your skin or underneath foundation. And because I just love it. It makes it last longer, especially with the mask. It just makes everything just stick so much better. So I don't know what the deal is. So let's go in with the sponge and see if it sucks everything up or not. It's good. Smoothing everything out. It's definitely sucking up a lot of the foundation. Darn it! But it makes my skin look skin-like though. This might work a lot better with a stick foundation, because that one stick foundations don't get sucked up as easily, and this is making it look super skin-like. So if you have like a thick foundation that tends to look cakey, this actually might be a good sponge for that. Oh, see, it's actually doing like really good with this Marc Jacobs concealer because it's thicker. It's like not sucking it up as much. All right. This makes my concealer look bomb though. This is amazing with my concealer. All right, let's powder this baby. I have a bronzer palette. I have 2 liquid lipsticks and a regular lipstick to still try. So I'm really excited. Okay, so next I have a bronzer palette from Carter Beauty. So this one's called the Apollo Bronzer Palette. Looks like this, and it has what it looks like 3 contour shades and one that might be a little bit glowier. but these three are like matte, and this has like some gold shimmer in there. So we'll use that as a bronzer, and I shall try to contour with like a mix of this. I actually like warmer bronzers. I think that to contour with, I think that they just look good. Let me put a little bit of this Wonderlust Peachy Blush, or this Buxom Blush real quick. It's a tiny bit because that would just be perfect. Let's finish underneath the eyes. I'm gonna go in with Decadence right here, which is the first shade that we did. And I'm just gonna put that under the eyes here. Last, I have a bright red lipstick. Yes. Oh, and it's creamy, and soft. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And then this one's more like a truer red. So there's Melody. And then this is what I'm going to wear today. It's Adele, sorry. This one's Adele. This color right here. Okay, so let's talk about my thoughts. I actually really like the eyeshadow palette. I think that the mattes are so smooth and they blend out like a dream. They're not patchy at all. And they're super pigmented. And I actually do like the shimmers. I think that if you want like the pow, you can spray your brush, but they're really nice, even dry. They're really smooth, and they give you a really nice, like, daytime beautiful look. I don't know, I'm digging it. I think it's a nice eyeshadow palette, and I like the bronzers. I actually really like this one, Flame, and it's kind of like a warm, almost like a peachy bronzer, but I really like those kind of bronzers on my olive skin. I think it looks really nice. And I like them. They're all pretty much matte. I've already almost taken off like the gold glaze on this one, so I don't think that they're going to be shimmery, but they aren't dry looking, and they actually are pretty nice. But I am so impressed with this gel liner, and I know that's something that's weird. That's a weird thing to just be like, I love this gel liner, but I do. I think it's so good, and I love the brush. They like nailed it. A lot of times liners like this, you can't, and they have a little brush, you can't really do like a wing liner. And I felt like I was able to do like a small wing. It was easy to use. It was creamy. It didn't dry too fast. I actually really like this, and I'm definitely taking this traveling with me because it's a bomb idea. And this color, this color, I might do reels with these lippies and just show them all swatched, but this color, I'm gonna love, because I love colors like this, especially right now. And if I wasn't going outside, I would have that red lip all over right now, all over. I hope you like when I try out new brands and I share with you guys new brands that maybe you've never heard of, that I've never tried before. I actually think this is pretty cool. I'm gonna look into and see what other things Carter Beauty has, because I feel like their products were pretty freaking good. So, those are kind of my thoughts. Make sure you smash the like button if you like it when I try new brands. And don't forget to go over to my Instagram and follow me there. I love you guys. I'll see you on Friday, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.